To integrate Debank wallet address import, start by understanding the basics of Debank and its API. Debank is a popular platform for managing cryptocurrency wallets and tracking transactions. The Debank API allows developers to access user data and integrate Debank functionality into their applications. First, register for a Debank API key by creating an account on the Debank website. This key is required to authenticate API requests and ensure secure access to user data. Once you have the API key, you can begin the integration process. The next step is to choose the programming language and framework for your application. Debank supports a range of languages, including Python, JavaScript, and Java. Select the language that best fits your development needs and proceed with installing the required libraries and dependencies. To import a Debank wallet address, you need to use the Debank API endpoint for retrieving user wallet data. This endpoint requires the API key and the user's wallet address as parameters. You can obtain the wallet address by prompting the user to enter it manually or by using the Debank API to retrieve a list of connected wallets. After retrieving the wallet data, you can parse the response to extract the required information, such as the wallet balance and transaction history. It is essential to handle errors and exceptions properly to ensure a smooth user experience. When handling user data, it is crucial to follow best practices for security and privacy. Always use secure protocols for data transmission, such as HTTPS, and store sensitive information securely using encryption and access controls. To provide a seamless user experience, consider implementing a user interface that allows users to connect their Debank wallets easily. This can be achieved by using a library or framework that supports Debank authentication and wallet connection. In summary, integrating Debank wallet address import requires registering for an API key, choosing a programming language and framework, using the Debank API to retrieve wallet data, and handling user data securely. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Debank wallet address import into your application and provide a valuable feature to your users.